Buongiorno e benvenuti. Good morning everybody. Welcome to the Mondolfo Ferro Training Center. Thanks for being with us. Today we are going, together with Mr. Salvatore Sigillo, to show you and to make focus again about two products in the area of tire changer. The Aquila Tornado, evolution of Aquila Tornado, and evolution upgrade of the Aquila passenger car tabletop tire changer. We are going to spend together a few minutes of time, starting first of all from the Aquila Tornado, and second step will be our activity towards tabletop tire change. Good. During the Bologna show, we introduced a new feature, Evolution, which has been made available on board of the Aquila Tornado, the full automatic, hydraulic, contactless, leverless tire changer, which is available in the Mondolfo Ferro range since about 10 years' time. And because of this, we have introduced a couple of important improvements that we are going together with Salvatore to show you. The machine remains as its original shape, performance and technical features. Hydraulic tire changer having a capacity up to 32 inches capacity. Which are the two main features which are on board of Aquila Tornado? So the first is about these new discs which are integrated sensors in order to be able to automatically detect, as we can see later, the width of the tire. And together with this improvement, we have on board a new touch screen 19 inches, having a new redesign software for a more intuitive working activity. If you agree with us, we can start by showing with Salvatore a first live demo, full automatic or manual? Up to you, Salvatore.
Full automatic.
Let's start with the full automatic activity first of all.
Perfect.
Okay, let's start. Thank you very much.
Okay, we start. The premium lifter brings the wheel exactly on the post. The electromechanical locking system allows you to lock always with the same force. And now, from the monitor in the central part, we have the possibility to select the dimension of the rim. In this case, we have 20. We can work from 13 to 32. If you change the diameter, what changes the position of the post? The tools is always in the same position, working position or rest position. So let's select the correct diameter. And now we start the automatic procedure with the icon here on the sidebar. Auto. Select the diameter, select between two options, normal and soft. Soft is just for very, very soft tire, like a balloon. Normal is used for a run flat tire, low profile tire, or standard tire. At this point, we start the operation, and with the number 2 here on the left side of the screen, we set the measure of the width, the automatic measure of the width. When the disc touches the tire that is in movement, automatically stops the movement of the upper and lower arm, because the same system is also on the lower arm. and the disc is in the correct position to work. Just a little second, if the tire is with the projecting side that is made to protect the rim, you have the possibility at this point to adjust manually a little bit the height of the tool. Now it's important to put the sensor valve exactly at 3 o'clock in this position. We consider 12 o'clock the position of the tool. We put the valve at 3 o'clock, and the integrated encoder that is inside the post gives you the possibility to know always the position of the valve. Now let's start the procedure. On the screen appears the camera to see what happened to the lower side. As you can see, the valve is in the correct position. Okay, now the rim stops with the valve in the correct position to mount the new tire. Now put a little grease, change the tire or make maintenance on the tire, I don't know. And we start the mounting procedure. We have the icon number 6 that brings the tool in position, automatically rotate. Yes, from now we go on manually with the mounting of the tire. At this point, with the icon number 7, all the tools go back in the rest position and the valve arrive in the correct position to be inflated. We have the automatic inflator. You can set here the pressure you want to inflate and then pushing play. Automatically the machine inflates the tire at the correct pressure.
Very good.
On the monitor, when you reach the correct pressure, the value becomes green like this. Now we can go on, I think, with the manual procedure.
Yes, Salvatore. Excellent idea.
Okay. Of course, you have to lock the tire the same way we did before. So we start the operation. We have a double speed of the two carriage. This thanks to the hydraulic system. We press down step by step. have the icon here for the camera. The camera is a new model with LED light that illuminate all the area, and it's very clear image what happened on the bottom side. Also here, step by step, you go up. Change the tool, we put the dismounting tool. This kind of machine is called touchless, because always the tool works outside of the rim. So we never can go in contact with the rim or valve. Move the first bit. Bring the valve in the correct position to mount the tire. Change the tool, put the mounting tool, and go on mounting procedure. At this point, we can remove the wheel from the machine. And the lifter will bring down, without any effort, the wheel.
Very comfortable front wheel lifter, Salvatore. We can say as a conclusion, thanks again for your demo activity, that Aquila Tornado is, from a commercial sales point of view, is available basically in 3 versions. We have a base one where bead breaker and premium lift are on board. It is available a Tornado Vision where also the camera is on board. It is available a Vision Automatic where also the automatic cycle is on board, and the number 4, so the premium version, where also the electronic inflator system is on board of the machine. So we have different investment budget to be taken in consideration for different customers. Salvatore, we can
I think it's all. Just if you want, we can make see the screen with the new graphical interface, with the sidebar on the left side here. We have all the icon. The second one is to activate the camera. The third one to activate the automatic inflator.
Yep.
The fourth is for the automatic cycle. And in the end, we have the setting of the machine, the 2 icons for the setting on the machine. Just a thing, As we see now, in the automatic cycle, we memorize the width of the wheel. If you want to work on a second wheel of the vehicle, the measure is already memorized, so you don't need to take again the measure. The machine asks you, do you want to recall memorized wheel? If you accept, automatically the machine brings the arms in the correct position. So this makes faster the operation.
Time saving, faster and quicker working activity. Very good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's move forward and examine the improvement which are on board of the tabletop tire changer traditional line. We have introduced and this improvement already are standard in production, means that you are already receiving equipment, machinery having this improvement on board. We introduce this new front plastic cover for a more updated and modern image, which renew a line of products which is traditionally in the market since several years. But more important from a working and technical point of view are the following two features. Let's start about the new shape of the mounting tool named wing, which replaced, better to say, the previous original mounting tool. And the second important feature which has been introduced is the new bead braking arm, having different angle working position. For sure, our Salvatore will be able to show you more in details how does this new bead braking arm is functioning, is working, in order to be capable and able to work in the right position with many different diameters of rims.
Yeah. Okay, we have a double movement of the blade, classic up and down, but we have also the possibility to modify the position of the blade on the side. So we have always the correct positioning of the blade against the tire. And we have also the possibility to modify the angle of the blade. So when the dimension of the width increase more than 10 inches, simply we remove this pin and move the position in the second one. So in the first position, from little dimension up to 10 inches wide, over 10 inches wide, we move in the second position to maintain the correct angle of the blade. About the mounting, this mounting tool is called wing because of this side that guide the bead under the edge of the rim. This helps a lot during the mounting procedure.
Excellent. So these are two important improvements. This improvement in the area of mounting tool, wing, and the new bead breaker arm are already on board of all the Mondolfo Ferro tire changer, starting from Aquila Twister, 943, 944, standard or leverless version, 946. So the complete range has been updated. We are confident that this will provide a added value to be spent with your customer in the market. Salvatore, let's thanks our guest and stay in touch for any further information you may require. Stay in touch from next week. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.